welcome back to Twyla's World. So today we have a prank video for Jazzmyn with Oreos. We're gonna do a challenge to see how many Oreos she can eat in 1 minute. But what she does not know is Mommy is going to put a little bit of toothpaste inside of the Oreos. So I want to see how many Oreos she can eat before she realizes it. See? So I'm gonna fill these Oreos up and then I'm gonna go with her and do the intro since she doesn't know it's a prank. And then we'll be right back. So one more thing I forgot to mention, Jazzmyn does not like mint. So let's see how fast it takes her to notice. I filled up 5 Oreos and I'm gonna put them on a plate and I'm gonna do like every other one is a minty Oreo. So let's go see how long it takes before she figures it out. Hey everyone, welcome back to Twyla's World. So today I have Jazzmyn here with me and we're going to be doing Oreo challenge. Woo, you excited?
Yeah, I love Oreos.
Yeah, so Jazzmyn loves Oreos. That's like her favorite cookie. And so we decided to do a challenge to see how many cookies she can eat in 1 minute. So here on the phone, we have a timer. And then I'm going to move out of the way so she can go ahead and have her cookies. You ready? I'm going to tell you when to go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah, 1 minute, you gotta eat the cookie fast. Alright, you're coming up on 30 seconds. Alright, you're almost done. You almost have 1 minute. Eat it.
You have 5 seconds. You ate 1 cookie. Eat it, faster. What's wrong?
It doesn't taste good.
Come on, you gotta bite it. We'll try another one. Come on, faster. You have to eat more cookies. Bite. At least take a bite out of all the cookies so you can eat faster.
Something has to be wrong with some of these cookies.
What do you mean something has to be wrong?
Some of them are spicy.
Some of them are spicy. But don't taste spicy to me. Taste another one. Bite it. Maybe it's just the cookie you ate. What do you mean it's spicy?
Spicy. It tastes like toothpaste.
It tastes like toothpaste. Bite. I don't.
I don't like mint.
It was a prank! It was a prank! There is mint in some of these. Because it is toothpaste. See it? Not all of them have toothpaste. See. Oh, that was good. That one stayed in there pretty good. Look. So, how'd you like your cookies?
Terrible!
Why do you think Mommy was rushing you so bad? Oh, well, we got her with that, guys. I think. Oh, that was the minty one. You do realize that, right?
No, the mint was separated from the cream.
Oh, I guess Giselle wanted to join. Say hi, Giselle.
Hi.
Say hi.
Does I want mint? Want mint Oreos?
Well,
Here, does I bite?
Giselle's gonna, no, don't give her the mint one because she's gonna like it anyways because it's just a cookie. So
Mm.
let's see, that's a non-minty one to give her. Here. There you go. You gonna say thank you? All right, well, that's all we have for this video. As you see, we had 1 minute. We were over a minute in and she didn't even eat one cookie yet. So I kind of had to rush her up a little bit to eat more cookies so she can find the minty ones. But I will say that prank was a success. She said it's minty. Well, that's all we have for you guys in this video. So until next time, say bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say mwah. She can't do it because she has an Oreo in her hand.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
That's all we have for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment down below if you guys like this prank, if you guys want to see more pranks.
You better not.
Subscribe, comment down below, like this video, click that bell for notifications if you have not already. And until next time, guys.